Ever wondered how you can turn a simple sentence into a stunning image? Imagine creating the perfect visual for your blog, YouTube channel, or even a custom artwork, all with just a few words. Well, today we are diving into how FotorPea's text-to-image function can help you do just that and much more. First up, let's talk about creating eye-catching article or blog post covers. We all know how important visuals are for grabbing attention. With FotorPea, simply type a description like, "Please help me generate an article cover image." The cover image should include the title, how to create cinematic scenes without a camera, and some related elements. Alternatively, please help me generate a post cover image based on the content of this post. You have different models to choose, including Gemini, Flux, GPT, and Stable Diffusion. Selecting Nano Banana Pro now. Generate, and voila, the perfect image is generated in seconds. It's ideal for bloggers who need to create custom images quickly without spending hours searching for stock photos. Seedream 4.0 offers different image ratios for outputs too. Choosing a square aspect ratio here and generate. Within seconds, you get this highly professional looking image for the cover post. Next, let's look at how text-to-image can level up your YouTube channel. Thumbnails are crucial for getting clicks, and FotorPea can help you design stunning thumbnails in no time. Here, just typing the title of the video, small travel gadgets that actually make life easier. With 16:9 aspect ratio selected and generate. Seconds later, you get the thumbnail ready. Just type your video title or concept and you will have a unique high quality image ready to be used as your thumbnail. No design skills needed. Another example of a thumbnail. You can see how detailed it looks with text and visual elements. A striking way which can make viewers click on it for better impressions. And it doesn't stop there. FotorPea is also a perfect tool for artists and creators. Whether you are looking for inspiration for your next project or need a specific illustration for a design, the text-to-image tool can turn any idea into a visual masterpiece. Just describe your scene and let AI bring your vision to life. It doesn't matter if you're designing a book cover, creating social media posts, or even product mockups. FotorPea can help you turn your text into images for any purpose. And here's some exciting news. Right now, FotorPea is offering an incredible Black Friday discount. Save up to 60% off. It's the perfect time to grab this powerful tool at a fraction of the cost. Check out the link in the video description below to grab the deal before it's gone. But that's not all. FotorPea offers many more amazing features, including photo restoration to fix blurry or old photos. And there's this magical feature called image restoration. After going inside, select the photo you want to restore. I have this old image of a blurry photo with too many scratches to count. You can see how blurry, it doesn't even have depth between the foreground and the background. So much detail missing here. Wasn't sure how well this feature could correct and restore it. We have 4 options to choose. As there are too many things to correct here, I went for advanced restoration here. Under setting, there is a prompt field too. It has already a prompt ready for this image. Good detection here. Need to see how well it will repair the damaged white background. We'll click on generate. Surprisingly, it didn't take a long time, probably half a minute or so. And I got this result. Absolutely wonderful. It even added facial details and the background looks a lot better. Nice separation too. Lot of added details on the clothes and the blurry foreground too. Other features include AI colorization to bring black and white photos to life, background removal to easily isolate subjects, and even ID photo generation. Perfect for passport and other official documents. And more functions in software. Whether you are a content creator, photographer, or just someone looking to enhance your photos and images, FotorPea has everything you need. So what are you waiting for? Start creating stunning images from text with HitPaw FotorPea today. Don't forget to check out the Black Friday sale, and remember, the link is right below. Thanks for watching and happy creating.